Hi guys, Mrs. Shy here. Welcome back to week 5, day 2 of Groups 1's phonemic awareness activities. Yesterday we started looking at long vowel sounds with the sneaky E pattern. So that's where we have an E at the end of a word. It follows a consonant, vowel, consonant, E pattern, and that sneaky E is silent, making the vowel long. Here's what that looks like. Here is a consonant, vowel pattern. The consonants are blue. The vowels are red. This one is for the word kite. K-I-T. That E makes the I long. Say its name. We don't hear anything out of the E. It's silent. Here's another one that follows that consonant in blue, vowels in red, so it's consonant, vowel, which is a sneaky E pattern. That E reaches around, makes that O long. Long O says O, so this word is robe. And then here's another one that follows that pattern of a consonant, vowel, consonant, E. The E reaches around, makes the A say its name. Long A says A. So we have A, cape. Good. What do long vowels say? Long A says A. Long I says I. Long U says U. Long E says E. Long O says O. We're going to practice reading some words that have those patterns. So the first one that we're going to read today is our A consonant E pattern words. And remember, these are the ones we worked on yesterday. B, A, K, G, aim, K, ape, D, ate. All of them have the long A sound. All of them have sneaky E that's silent at the end. So today we're going to work on reading some more of those words. Now, remember when a letter is silent, we cross it out. So I've done that coding for you here for you to see that the E doesn't say anything. We mark it out. Remember when a vowel makes its long vowel sound, we code it with a macron, which is this long line that goes over it. So all of these A's are long A's because of this sneaky E. So I went ahead and coded it for us with the long macron, which tells me that it's going to make its long vowel sound. Long A says A. All right, so let's practice reading some of these long A words. We have A, ape, ape. Our next word, ate, ate, ate. This one is the ate, like I ate a donut for breakfast. All right, here's our next word, b, ace, b, ace, base. Like in baseball, I touched the base. Here's our next word. We're going to do this line over here next. So we have, all these C's are going to make the k sound. So all of these would have K backs on them. So they'd say k. So this first one says k, a, k, k, a, k, cake. Good. Here's our next word. Remember the C's are going to say k here. K, age, k, age, cage, like the lion was in the cage. And then our last long A word that we're going to read is k, ain, k, ain, cane. Good. All right, our next group of words that we're going to practice on today are going to be long I words. Remember, long I says I. All of them are going to follow the I consonant E pattern. These are the ones that we practiced on yesterday. Let's look over those really quickly again. We have b, I, k, b, ike, bike. L, I'm, lime, k, I, t, k, ite, kite. I've, hive. Now remember, all of these words are going to have that long I sound in them. Again, I've coded them for us. Sneaky E is silent, so we mark it out. It's not going to make any sound, but it helps to make our other vowel, which are all going to be I's, long. So all the long I's here, which I've already coded with our macron, are going to say I. So when you get to them and we're sounding them out, make sure that you make that long I sound. All right, let's start on our first line here. We have B, I, T, B, I, T, bite. Next word. This is the opposite way. So this is a D. D says D. I, S. The C says S. D, ice, dice. Okay, last word for this line. This is a D again. It matches this one up here. We have D. I'm, D. I'm, dime. Like the money, a dime. Okay, second line over here that we're going to be reading. This is a D that it's starting with. So we have D. I've, D. I've, dive. Like I dive into the swimming pool. Okay, next word. I'll, file, like I file the paperwork. And then our last word that we're going to sound out today, ire, fire. Good reading. All right, for our next activity today, we're going to do our syllable blending. So I'm going to say the syllables. You put them together into a word. Okay, our first one is folder. Folder. Good. Here's our next one. Size. Exercise. Centers. Easel. Flashcard. Next word. Notebook. Next word. Window. Good. See if you can put it together before I do. Last word is technology. Technology. Good. All right, for our next activity today, I'm going to say the first sound in a word and then the rest of the word, and you guys need to put it together to make a word. For example, if I was to say ute, together, cute. Good. Here's our next one. Ice. Together, dice. Ache. Together, cake. I've. Together, hive. Own. Together, cone. Good. Oon. Together, tune. Age. Together, page. Ol. Together, mole. Good. And then our final activity today is going to be our short or long vowel sound. So I'm going to say some words. You tell me, does it have a short sound in it or a long sound in it? Short vowels say a, I, a. Long vowels say a, e, I, o, and u. Okay, short or long? You tell me. Here's our first one. Dose. Dose. Long. That has a long sound. O. It says O. That's a long vowel sound. Here's our next word. Web. Web. Short or long? Web. Short. It says eb. That's a short vowel sound. Here's our next word. Dice. Dice. Is that a short or a long sound in that word? Ice. Long. It has a long I in it. It says ice. I. That says its name. That's a long vowel sound. Here's our next word. Cape. Cape. Is that short or long? Ape. Long. It says A in it. Ape. A is a long vowel sound. Here's our next word. Jam. 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 Short. It says jam. Good. Last word. Dome. Dome. Is that short or long vowel sound? Dome. Long. It says O in it. It has a long O sound. Dome. O. Good. All right, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow for some more phonemic awareness activity and some play with words. I'll see you then. Bye, guys.